Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can add reels to your story on your Instagram from your laptop. To add reels on your story, first of all you need to add an extension to your Google Chrome, and the name of the extension is Insist extension. Search for it on the Google Chrome and then go on the first link that pops up. And after that, it will show you this screen. Just click on Add to Chrome. Here you can see I have already downloaded or added the extension to my Chrome, and then after the extension is downloaded in your Chrome as well, go on to the extension bar and just open it up. And after you have opened it up, you'll be taken to this screen. Here, just click on OK, let's go. After you do so, your Instagram will be opened up here like it is on your mobile phone. Now you can scroll down, search Reels, add to story, and also add Reels to your story from here. Not only that, you can also watch Reels here as you can on your mobile phone. Now you can just add to story by clicking on here. Here you can see now you can select any of the options like your photo or video that you want to add to your story, and also Reels that you have downloaded on your laptop. And that's how you can add your Reels to your story from your Instagram on the laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.